Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking immediate action. Confirm the database recovery model, ensure a recent backup exists, and verify transaction log capacity so you won't run out of space. Next, identify the exact index or table using SIS. DMDB index physical stats and catalog views. You need fragmentation thresholds. Once done, choose online versus offline rebuild based on addition and downtime tolerance, and schedule during a maintenance window. This reduces blocking and prevents surprises during the operation. You now perform the rebuild. Decide reorganize versus rebuild. Reorganize is lighter and online. Rebuild is comprehensive and can be online if addition allows. Execute alter index name on schema. Table rebuild with online equals on, maxed up equals 2, or adjust options. While running, monitor SIS, DM exec requests, SIS, DMDB index operational stats, and wait stats to watch I/O and blocking. If parallelism or tempDB usage spikes, make adjustments. Alter maxed up or pause non-critical jobs to stabilize performance. You finish by validating outcomes and resolving issues. Immediately update statistics so the optimizer benefits, using update statistics or SB update stats. Then reevaluate fragmentation and review query store or execution plans to confirm improvement. If the rebuild fails, inspect SQL Server error log and Windows event log, check disk and tempDB capacity, and look for blocking or deadlocks. As a key tip, if tempDB is exhausted, pause the rebuild, free space or add files, and retry with lower maxed up or offline options to avoid repeated failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.